Hello, my name is Dharma Puja Pangestu, and today I will talk about become influencer for better Indonesia.
With the rise of social media, many young Indonesians are forging their career path in an unusual way by becoming influencer. The job, which has flexible working hours and does not require office presence, is perfect for those who stand out in the internet world. They can leverage the power of their social media account to earn decent money. Apart from earning money, we can influence people to do positive things. Influencers are people who have quite a lot of followers or audience on social media, and they have a strong influence on their followers, such as celebrities, bloggers, YouTubers, and so on. Influencer means someone who can exert influence. In this case, influencers play an important role in influencing their audience in making decisions. For example, the decision to buy an item that depend on the review given by a particular influencer. Not only in buying decision, influencer can also influence the life of their audience, who make them role model. There are many cases that cause an influencer to be considered a bad influence because the post or action he takes are not accepted by the public. Therefore, it is very important for someone with a large audience to really pay attention to his behavior in the real world and the virtual world, because thousands and maybe even million people will see his life, and it is these people who will judge or get the influence of the influencer. Therefore, as an influencer, you must have a positive impact on your followers. One of the influencers in Indonesia who has a wide audience is Prilly Latuconsina. Currently, Prilly has 24 million followers on her Instagram. She started her career in the entertainment world as an actress. Prilly's name is increasingly known along with the number of soap operas she has started in, then also big screen film, until then she began to be active on social media. According to Prilly herself, the definition of an influencer is a person who can have an influence on other people. The influence can be in form of positive or negative. In today's era, many people can be called influencer. Even public figures can also be called influencer. As a good influencer, Prilly always want to have a positive influence on her large audience. In dealing with things like this, Prilly choose to educate her audience and netizens not to give this negative comment. For example, someone make a comment and is impressed with body shaming. I will reply to that comment by explaining to them why body shaming is not good and what positive things they should be able to do instead of body shaming. That's how it is at most, said Prilly. And to be a good influencer, there are many aspects that need to be considered. Because when you become an influencer with a wide and large audience reach, you can just behave and make posts in cyberspace. What we give to the audience should have a positive influence and encourage the audience to do positive things. Something that need to be considered and can be done to become a good influencer include always strive to create content that has a positive impact on its audience and benefits many people. Build engagement or a good relationship with the audience so that it gets support from many people. Keep being yourself, but as the best version of yourself. That way, the audience will accept an influencer as he is without the need to cover a lot of things. Do what you like, not what people want. Always prioritize the desire that come from within yourself, so that what others judge is a true reflection of the influencer. Know your talent. By knowing what talent they have, it will be easier for an influencer to segment their audience and what they want to show, such as choosing a paid promotion or a brand that will work with the influencer. With the increasing number and magnitude of influence that will be exerted by influencer in Indonesia, it is hoped that the existing influencer can have a positive impact. Be an influencer who always think about the impact of what will happen if you want to post something. Don't be influencer who doesn't care about what will happen if you post something that is not educational. Be a good influencer for a better Indonesia.